Aprilia continues to push the limits of performance with the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a motorcycle built for speed, precision, and pure exhilaration. Known for its racing DNA, the latest RSV4 refines its aerodynamics, power delivery, and electronics to offer an unmatched riding experience. In this video from Bike Update, we explore what makes the Superbike one of the most advanced on the market. Aggressive and aerodynamic design. The RSV4 has always been a visually stunning machine, and the 2025 model enhances that with new aerodynamic winglets, a sharper front fairing, and an improved air intake system. The bodywork is designed to reduce drag while increasing downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The sleek LED lighting and revised color schemes add to its aggressive road presence. Extreme V4 power. At the core of the RSV4 is an updated 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, delivering breathtaking horsepower and torque. Aprilia has fine-tuned the engine mapping for a smoother yet more explosive power band, making it one of the fastest superbikes in its class. The signature V4 exhaust note remains intoxicating, adding to the thrill of every ride. Race-ready handling and suspension. Aprilia's advanced chassis and Öhlins SmartEC 2.0 semi-active suspension make the RSV4 an absolute weapon on the track. The bike offers razor-sharp handling, thanks to its lightweight frame, revised swing arm, and race-spec Brembo braking system. Whether on tight corners or long straights, the RSV4 remains planted and responsive. Cutting-edge electronics. The 2025 RSV4 is packed with the latest rider aids, including Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC, multiple riding modes, launch control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. A new high-resolution TFT display provides all the crucial data, while smartphone connectivity allows for custom ride settings. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is a masterpiece of engineering, offering the perfect blend of raw power, advanced technology, and track-focused precision. Whether you're chasing lap times or looking for the ultimate street superbike, the RSV4 delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more in-depth motorcycle reviews.